Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're reacting to
Sarah Geronimo, Young, and KZ performing TLC's Waterfalls Unpretty.
Ooh.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. The camera works make it look like it's raining. You don't see that?
Oh, no.
Like, I don't know.
Really?
Something on the screen looks like it's raining. Look.
Oh,
You see
yeah.
it?
I love KZ. Oh, they go crazy with Sarah.
This is ASAP Road to Honolulu. So they went in Hawaii 5 years ago. Interesting.
Honolulu.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Be stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. I see your rainbow yesterday.
Okay.
I don't know, Young could rap. I kind of thought KZ would do the rapping part, to be honest. Well, Sarah can rap too, but I was thinking KZ. There you go, yep.
She looks so cool.
She does.
Looks like they're reading lyrics.
I would have, of course.
Oh, so it's like karaoke night.
Well, what do you think they know all these songs
I thought
by
they
heart?
did.
No, there's definitely lyrics on the stage. Like in the the prompters, there's definitely real lyrics there. I would be very surprised if Sarah knows every song she performs by heart.
I thought
I would be very shocked. I do, because usually we've seen them sometimes, like from even behind the scenes, like when you get like a certain camera look, you see them on the teleprompter. I think everybody does it.
This is such a throwback.
It is. Well, and Waterfalls is not.
I feel like Unpretty was like a big record, a big Waterfalls too, but I always think of Unpretty.
No, but
first.
what I'm saying, they're both throwbacks though, in terms of like when they came out.
I feel like I heard like Waterfall like before. I just haven't heard this song in quite some time, so that's why I'm like, oh my god, this is such a throwback.
Oh, yeah, no, I know, because you listen to Waterfalls all the time. That's why. Yeah, this is a commercial song for a
I feel like they play Waterfall a lot too, but this one, Unpretty, they don't play this one.
I think last time I heard was on a commercial or something.
This one?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's how I feel.
I am
Or maybe in a movie or like a TV show or something.
I'm just tripping.
Also, Popsters is Sarah's fan base.
Oh, I wonder why they call it popsters.
Because she's like the pop star.
Oh, that's cute.
She's like the pop star of the pop star of the Were they sponsored by Mac?
Why?
Because they said that Mac can make. Why
that
Mac?
That man can make.
Oh, this is Mac can make.
Oh, I always learned it as man can make.
Oh, I thought Mac because the Mac brand. You know Mac Maker brand?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Very nice.
Sarah G.
You guys, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your recommendations. And as always, share as much kindness as possible. Bye.